Struggling to keep up with meeting notes or transcribe lengthy interviews? Otter.ai is your AI-powered solution. First, head over to Otter.ai and log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click the Import button to upload your audio or video file from your computer. Select your file and let Otter.ai work its magic, transcribing your content in real time. Now, let's refine that transcription. Click on any word to jump to that point in the audio, making corrections a breeze. Collaborate with your team by clicking Share, choosing permissions like Can Edit or Can View, and sending the link. Maximize efficiency by integrating Otter.ai with your favorite platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams for automatic transcription of your meetings. Fine-tune Otter.ai by adding custom vocabulary and training it to identify different speakers for even more accurate results. And that's your crash course in Otter.ai. From uploading files to seamless collaboration, Otter.ai revolutionizes how you handle audio and video transcription, saving you time and boosting productivity.